Look at this. We have a blender. 果汁机. Let's make juice today. Are you ready? Wait, we need fruits. What is this? A banana. 香蕉. Should we put it in like this? No, let's cut it. The banana is too big. This is a watermelon. 西瓜. Strawberry. 草莓. Strawberries are small, but let's cut them too. Should we add one more fruit? Let's add some orange to make it extra yummy. Orange. 柳橙. Now let's add some water. Close the lid. Okay, ready? Whoa, it's spinning! The fruits are dancing. Stop. Wow, look at that! We made juice! 果汁. Yummy! Great job, everyone! Let's make juice again next time. Bye-bye!